Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Voodoo. Today, we're gonna rip the interior out of this old bad boy. Fortunately, the window was left out after the collision repair place went ahead and assessed the damages. I had to put some plastic over it to keep the rain and everything out of the truck, but that did not keep all the little critters out. As you can tell here, we had some birds come inside the truck. We had some mice inside the truck. So that will be pretty interesting, seeing what kind of mess they have left for me. But we're gonna be pulling the interior, the complete thing. So I'm taking the seats, the carpet, the dash, the headliner, everything. Everything's coming out of this. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to get a new seat belt. If I want the seat belts to be black, because a mouse had chewing through this one, so. But, yep. So that's what we got in store for us today. Ripping this interior out. Anyway, sit back and enjoy. Well, got the interior out, the seats at least. So, of course I got a mess in here I gotta clean up from the mouse. But there is, for right now, for what I can see right now, there is a little bit of damage done because there was a mouse in the truck. And all this is aftermarket stuff. Every single seat had an option to heat the seat, so the driver's side, or the driver's side front, the passenger side front, the driver's side rear, and the passenger side rear. So here's the extra wires. Found that guy right there, laying right up here, and that was underneath that center console. Go ahead and walk around to the other side here. Just got done vacuuming the truck, and check out the wiring. Grab a flashlight. Oh yeah. Well, that kind of hurts it. The light kind of hurts it. Anywho, got a bare wire there. Got some bare wires here. And this is all for the heat on the seats. So, but everything else looks to be decent enough. So we got the carpets to pull, and then after that, then we'll start working on the dash, and then we'll get the headliner. But just figured I'd give you guys an update. The mouse made a little bit of a mess. I won't know what's behind the dash until after I get it out. So let's get back to work.
Alrighty, well, as you'd seen, got the carpet seats and dash out. Now, on a part of that video, you'll see the dash, and I did not realize that the dash was getting hung up by the pillar gauge, the gauge pods up there. So when I had removed that screw, I thought that the bolt that I had ran in, just a couple of threads, would hold the dash. But as you've seen in the video, the dash did fall onto the floor of the truck. It didn't do any damage, which I'm very happy about, but that was completely unexpected. Plus, the shifter cable, I thought I had gotten it out of the grommet over here enough, and it wasn't, and it ended up getting caught up, so that was hanging up the dash. And that's right there. So it's a little hard to see, but that hole right there, it was hanging up the dash and everything. And I want to let you guys know that dash is extremely heavy. Do not try to move it by yourself. If you can
if you can prevent it. I didn't have any help here at the shop today, and I wanted to get the dash out, so I decided to tackle it myself, but I just want to let everybody know that dash is extremely heavy. Now, the dash did hit this vent system here for the defrost, or for the legs for the back passenger, so I think this is what saved that section of the dash from getting damaged. But here she is, and you could see all that red dirt come from Alabama, where this truck came from. So, and you can see all the fine dirt and everything that's in here. Doesn't matter how nice your truck is or how much you try to keep the interior clean. If you drive down gravel roads and dirt roads, underneath that carpet is bound to look like this. And of course in Arizona, they've got quite a few dirt roads. But the only thing I got left now is the headliner and the two back door pieces, which I figured you don't need a video on that. But a lot of work. It's definitely a lot of work just to do an interior swap, but it's something that I wanted to do because I like this interior better than I liked the interior that was inside the white pickup. So here's the dash. Like I said, the only thing I think I can see is right here. I got a little scuff from when it hit, but that's about it. Didn't expect this thing to fall, but it did. Of course, I got to wash everything, clean the dash up, clean the interior up, but for the most part, it's going to be on to round 2, which is installing the interior on the white truck, or the white Rhino. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and I will see you all next time.